today I am here with my sister Brianna.
Hi!
And I'm going to make her kawaii. Are you excited?
Oh god, I'm nervous.
She's so excited.
This is the first time she's done this to me.
How would you describe your style normally?
Random. I just pick whatever I see laying around.
Yeah, I would.
As can tell by this random shirt, which has no absolute purpose to this video whatsoever.
It's Minecraft.
Yes, it's Minecraft periodic table.
Yeah, I would say your style is pretty comfortable. Anything comfortable.
It's comfortable, yes. Very comfortable.
When I put you in a wig, you're probably gonna not enjoy it. But that's
No.
okay, it'll be fun.
It'll only be for, like, the purpose of this video.
Yeah, I have a bunch of makeup here. I bought some false eyelashes. I'm gonna start doing your makeup, all cute.
I'm so nervous. I'm laughing.
Alright, so first I'm just gonna go in with this Makeup Forever eyeshadow. As you can tell, I always use this one. Oh, I should open it.
Yeah, you should open it.
I should.
Yes, you should.
I always use this color right here because it's, I don't know, it's a shimmery, neutral-ish skin color kind of
Hopefully.
thing. And I usually use my finger, this one right here, because you can get more pigment. So I'm gonna get you to close your eye.
Okay.
And I'm going to tap this on.
That feels weird.
It's okay, you're gonna feel a lot of weird things.
Oh god, no.
Okay. See, it would be smart to use eyeshadow primer. But I ran out of that a long time ago.
What?
And it's expensive.
Oh, it's expensive,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, it's very expensive. For a while I was using e.l.f., but it doesn't work as well as Urban Decay. I'm not very good at doing makeup on other people, but it's gonna be fun. Yeah, it's practice, because I'm a makeup artist. Ha! Just kidding. My friend is though.
Yeah,
Melissa. Almost. Alright, now I'm going in with this pink eyeshadow from this palette. It's for children, but I use this pink all the time.
It feels like the cat's tails are brushing against my eyes. It feels
Oh
weird.
my god. It's just a makeup brush.
I'm not used to makeup brushes.
How do you usually do your eyeshadow? Do you use the sponge makeup brushes?
Yeah, I use the sponge makeup brushes whenever I do eyeshadow.
Oh. Yeah, because I bought actual makeup brushes for you, but then you
Never
didn't
used
use them.
And then you took them.
Yeah, I took them back.
Which is
I
probably the better option.
I tried to get you into makeup.
Yeah, no, I only wear makeup on special occasions.
I'm just putting on purple eyeshadow now. I'm putting on blue eyeshadow now. Same e.l.f. palette. I'm gonna add a little more purple. What next? Okay. Okay, this...
Serious face.
So serious. So now I'm going in with this, it's an eyeliner pen. I bought this yesterday, so I'm not totally used to using it, so I might mess up a little bit. So I just tried to wing her eyeliner downwards as I usually do, and now I'm going to draw a line at the bottom of her eye, like about the middle, and then bring it to that downward eyeliner. We will continue on, and I am going to put some white eyeliner on.
That last stroke, I completely flinched there.
Yeah, I was like, are you okay? I thought I like stabbed you.
No, but you came so close.
I'm not even going on your waterline. I always put
I know,
eyeliner
because
on my
I
waterline.
cannot handle my waterline being touched.
So usually I put this on my waterline, but not today. That's okay. Let's go on to the next step. Woo! Which is this eyeshadow again, but it's gonna be down here.
Oh god.
this is to make your eyes look like to make your tear bags pop. Because tear bags are very cute. Ready?
I don't know what tear bags are.
They are, I don't know how to explain them. They're not eye bags.
Okay, because I have a lot of eye bags.
Yeah, they're tear bags. They're cute. They're adorable.
No, blush is cute.
You can look
like
at
kawaii
videos
blush.
on them.
You know, like kawaii blush on like giraffes or something. That's so cute. I don't know.
It probably is. Do I have any plushies with blush?
I mean...
Oh, I do. Wait. This boy has blush.
Yeah, he has blush.
Right there. Yeah, that's cute. You're like pulling away from it.
Yeah, because it's so weird.
What?
Just feels so weird.
That's okay.
It feels even weirder
Okay.
than the cat's tails on my face.
Yay. Don't do that.
I'm a sister. I didn't know
Hey,
you.
no, but you don't gotta do that. It's my dangly.
I can't reach it. It's not in frame.
I'm going to attempt to put fake eyelashes on my sister.
I technically have already given my consent, but
You have. I asked her before the video if I could.
Twice.
Yes. And she said yes.
Both times.
So, I've never put fake eyelashes on anyone before. I've done other people's makeup, and this is what happened.
Oh,
This is gonna be even more fun.
oh no,
Yeah.
no.
Melissa's gonna be so proud of me.
Yeah.
Okay, stop recording again, but that's okay. We are done the makeup, sort of, with the complications. Now you are going to get dressed in some Fairy K-ish clothes, and then we will put you in a wig and do your hair and put accessories on, and then you can be completely kawaii-ified.
Hopefully.
We're back, and she is so kawaii.
I don't know.
It's like a magic spell. Like,
It's a
oh.
magic spell, yes.
Maho! Oh no, my camera battery's dying. Okay,
Make this quick and we'll get a new battery.
I don't have a new battery. She made a really cute banner for my YouTube channel. It's like
God.
she drew the girl. I did the writing, which isn't the best, but she drew the really cute girl who's supposed to be me, but I'm not that cute probably. But she did a really good job.
Wow.
What do you think?
Cute bow.
Cute bow?
Although I don't think it's my style.
That's okay. Would you ever wear this again?
No.
No? Well, at least I got you to wear it once.
Yeah.
Yep. 10 out of 10.
I rated it a 7 out of 10.
Really?
Just like a right there project.
I think the eyelashes covered the messy makeup pretty well.
It did. It really did.
Yeah. Well, thank you for being in this video, Brianna. You look very sweet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a good day. Bye.
Bye.